heard about soft washing. I heard about it a few years ago. Now, as time's gone on, I've looked at extra services I would like to offer my clients. I thought soft washing was a great thing to offer. I currently have some experience in pressure washing. From a few of the jobs that I've gone through that I've done for family and friends as I was learning the pressure washer, I've seen damage that has been done by homeowners, without the knowledge, without training, and this was something that also gave me more interest to look into it, because me, as I'm offering that, I do not want to cause any sort of damage to a client's property, and yeah, basically that's where it stems from. It's been very informative. We've been hands-on. The team is great. They've explained things slowly, clearly, and there's times where I've not understood them, and they've been very happy to come over to me and explain it again until I do understand what they've said. Certain pages that say, oh, chemicals, this, bleach, this, and the last thing you want to do on your first job is turn up to a client's house and cause damage. If you're thinking about doing this course, for me personally, it was mixology, and it's about understanding the chemicals and how to safely use them.